Nope. We're not unking. You're
Okay,
waiting.
Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
I love these people that try to take the slow lane as a lane to get ahead of everyone.
Yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? Oh my God!
I know. There, and the purpose that it was built for. Oh my gosh! Okay, Garmin.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm watching her.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
I'm watching her be dumb.
That's probably the next one.
Don't do that. What the hell are you thinking? You retard. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
I really like the way you said it. Crazy.
Okay, Garmin. Dude. No, but that might work well for like a, oh my God, lady. Damn.
Shit.
Damn.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Another, column of people waiting that says serving this number now. Well, okay, Garmin. Save video. That was funny.
Did she go through a red light?
Yeah.
Falling forward.
Back to you.
Look at this person is an idiot.
Yep.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
No, not in the same way. Oh my God. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Please allow your children to believe in Santa. You believe in essential oils, and no one's ruining that for you.
You just ran the light, the stop sign, dude. While he was, recovering. Okay, why? Why stop first and then change lanes? Just change lanes.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Ebony alerts when a black child goes missing, and hopefully the
You're
police
an idiot.
before I do.
I just want you to know, she just turned that corner without looking this way.
Okay. Yep, that was dumb. It was the dumbest thing.
And
I
then
saw
she
her.
had a shocked look on her face when I was there.